So in this video we're going to quickly run through some of the tools which you might use on your bike at home. So what we've got here is a Allen key. So you might have this, if you don't have this in a bike kit, you might have this with some IKEA furniture or something like that that you use to put things together. So with some of the ones that are designed for bikes, they've got two ends. So one end like this, it's got a straight end and it's good. It has a good secure contact, so it's good to use if you're going to be applying a lot of pressure. This end here, the other end, has a kind of bulb on the end, and that's good for getting into difficult, hard to get to places, but it can strip the thread or round the bolt that you're working on. And what that means is if you twist it, and it can tear away some of the metal. So you want to be really careful if you're using that end, or if you can do, try and use that end with the Allen key. The most common sizes for Allen keys are 5, that does most of the things on a bike, 6 does your saddle, and 4 is generally for the handlebars. Another common tool is the spanner. So this is a 15mm spanner. Again, it's got two ends, so open end for difficult to get to places, and a box end, which is going to give you a more secure contact if you're applying a lot of pressure. So a 15mm, you generally use that for wheels, which have bolts on them, right? So you just get it on like that, and then twist it anti-clockwise to undo, and clockwise to do it tighter. So it's lefty-loosey, or righty-tighty, and then you just, the further up you hold it, the more power you're going to get from the tool. If you're holding it here, it's not going to work so well. If you're holding it here, you've got a lot more power from it. The final tool that you're going to use is the screwdriver. So it's just a normal crosshead screwdriver. Again, you'll have that for putting furniture together and stuff, and you can use that to adjust your brakes and adjust your gears, and also to adjust little fixings like putting your bell on and stuff like that.